How to remove profile picture on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, let's navigate to our profile. And when you are here, just click on the profile picture. And you will get this pop-up window at the bottom from which you want to click on See Profile Picture. Now, once the picture has been opened, what you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from these options, click on Delete Photo. Then click on Delete on this pop-up box to confirm. And when you go back, let's go ahead and refresh the page, you will see that your profile picture has been deleted. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to delete profile picture on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.